So hey everyone, this is Yong256. With me everything is possible. So today we are going to learn on how to solve After Effects lagging or freezing or slowing or not responding issues. You see it's taking long to load to display. You see or no response. We are going to solve all those problems in After Effects. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and remember, if you want the best views, subscribers, watch time, you want to get monetized, the website is in the description. They are called www.donextraboost.com. I'm going to put the link in the description. So let's just dive into the video of solving the lagging. So what you're going to do, you're going to come to edit, okay, then you're going to come to preferences, then you're going to come to display, okay. We are learning on how to solve, After Effects lags a lot, like boom, it's really hurting, it's really annoying, time wasting. So we're learning of how to solve it. At first I thought it's storage. Let me show you my space. At first I had my disks were all full, but then after cleaning them I still faced the problem. But then guess what, how I solved it. Let me show you. So you untick this. When you come to edit, okay, edit, then preferences, then display. Okay, make sure you watch the whole video, because this is not the only way. So you're going to untick this hardware accelerate or composition layer, then you're going to press okay. Let me hope you've saved your project. Let me hope you do this when you've saved your project. So you see, when you press okay, a moment. Okay, then after, still come to edit. Okay, edit, preferences, okay, previews. Okay, just give it some time because we know it's logging. So come to zoom quality, come to accelerate, and then faster, then color management, quality, faster, again tick okay. So what you're going to do, let me hope you've saved your project. You're going to close this After Effects. You can either press Ctrl Q or you can press X, but sometimes if it is lagging, it won't give you the time to press X or the minus. So you're going to press Ctrl. Let's press Ctrl Q. We close it. Okay, let me hope I've pressed Ctrl Q, because I'm darkness, not seeing anything. But then I've pressed it, so you see it's still not responding. But just make sure, give it some time to close the project. Okay. Or if it refuses to close like that, there are very many ways. You can press Ctrl Alt and then delete, but it's going to then come to task management. Okay, it's going to close. You see it's lagging, but it's not, the problem is not with my computer. But okay, then you will come, you find After Effects here. If it doesn't close, you right click on it, then you press end task, it will close automatically. So thank you so much. With that, I think let's open After Effects. Okay, let's confirm that let's give it some time to open. Okay, remember, if you need the best software, the cracked software like Sky Email Sender, Sky Email Extractor, Sky Email Verifier, every software you need, when it is cracked, just inbox me. Just tap on me, just send a message on my WhatsApp. But it's not free, please. You will have to donate something. At least you will have to join the membership partner program. We have packages. From the first, like 3 packages, you can join while we give you the free software. Please donate and support a brother. Please watch, don't skip any videos. So we are trying to see if our trick has worked, but it will work, trust me, because I've used it and it has worked for me. Yes, so we're waiting. Okay, it's opening. So I repeat, if you want the best cracked software, you want Sky Email Sender, all softwares that you need to crack, Driver Booster 11, any software. But currently we don't work with macOS. So if you have a Mac, please, I don't have your help for now, but within some time I'll have your help. So let's open. Okay, file, open recent, open project. Let's open our project. Okay, let me open my project. Okay, we're trying to see if it has worked. Okay, don't worry about this, it has worked. Just give it some time, just let it open. Okay, it's going to open. Okay, I think you can see it has opened. See, it's no lags anymore. With that, I sign out. I told you the website is in the description. If you want to grow your channel, you want to grow you want anything, they're very cheap and legit. Thank you so much. With that, I sign out.